routines, no empty words, no false publicity today. We especially bring a full range of medium to high-end woodworking machinery for furniture factories, wood product factories, and woodworking machine dealers. Whether it is cut-off saw, sanding machine, cutting machine needed for solid wood processing, or edge banding machine, roll drills, engraving machines used in panel furniture production. We have everything you need for a one-stop solution. We will share practical information and show real machines throughout the live stream. The parameters, materials, and uses of each pieces of equipment will be explained clearly. If you have any question, just type them in the comments area. I will reply in real time to any question about equipment for solid wood or panel processing. Without perfunctoriness or hiding. Okay, let's go to the machine introduction. Okay, first of our today's live stream, we will introduce the cut-off saw series. And before today, our last live stream already introduced our cut-off saw series already. Today we will introduce again. In case of if any of you didn't saw our live stream, our last live stream. So today I bring you our professional Pinliang cut-off saw series from Foshan. We have automatic feeding models and pneumatic models. All have medium to high-end quality. Either for furniture factories, door factories, panel factories, and woodblock factories for batch cutting. Efficient, precise, and durable. So let's check. The front model is MJ274, and this model behind is MJ601. So let's introduce the automatic model first. First, our automatic feeding cut-off saw MJ601, MJ602, and MJ603. This one is 601, the basic one. And all three automatic models adopt PLC intelligent control and servo automatic feeding. No manual pushing, one-key automatic cutting, especially suitable for large batch and high efficiency production. So let's continue to this model. 601 and 603 are standard universal models. With these two models, you can see this one can cut the thickness 10 to 100 millimeters, and can cut the width is 60 to 200 millimeters. The maximum working length of this machine is 2 meters, or 4 meters or 6 meters is optional. If you need longer cutting, it's all can customize. Also, the maximum cutting area of this machine is 100 times 200 millimeters. And for this model's spindle motor, we use 7.5 kilowatts high power. And the spindle speed of this machine is 7,500 RPM. It's very high speed, so we add one cover. This cover can close. You see? When we operating the machine, when we're using the machine, we need to keep the cover closed so we can keep your operator safer. I need to show you, so I open this cover. With this machine, the cutting precision is plus or minus 0.3 millimeters. So it's very precision. Let's come close to see the PLC. With the intelligent touch screen, you can input 10 sizes and quantities at one time for automatic continuous cutting. Delta servo motor and rack. You can see the feeding table we use. This long feeding table. This, I remember, it's 4 millimeters. If I don't make a mistake, this feeding table is 4 millimeters. Also, you can make it 2 millimeters or 6 millimeters. That depends on your wood size. Okay? That's all can customize. So behind this machine, we use the rack. Behind this machine, we use a rack to make sure the feeding is frequency and pinion feeding. Wear resistant and stable. High precision spindle and quality alloy blade. When the machine is not working, the saw blade is hide inside the machine. When the machine is work, the saw blade will come up through this slide. Okay, so come closer to see the main part of this machine. So many people may ask how to choose between MJ603 and 601. First one, you can see this one is 601. So 601 only have one upper pressure and two side pressure. You see this one and I'm sorry, this one, double side press. So MJ603 is upgraded from MJ601 with 3 key improvements. Make it safer, more stable, and more precise. So first, a safety cover, like here. This feeding table. This feeding table behind, we don't have any cover, right? MJ603 we add a safety cover. So a safety cover is added at the back of the guide rail. So it protects the guide rail, feeding mechanism, and internal wiring from wood dust. Reduces wear and breakdowns. So it's more safer. And more importantly, it protects operators from touching moving parts during loading, unloading, and adjustment, greatly reducing the risk of injury for safer production. Second, an extra precision guide rail is added. Let's check the back of the machine. So we can see here behind the feeding table, we only have one rack on MJ601. On MJ603, we have 2. So that means an extra precision guide rail is added, upgraded to double guide rails with stronger support, with stronger support and more even stress. Feeding is stable, no shaking, no deviation. So cutting is smoother and consistent even in long-time mass production. Third, we have mentioned 2 difference between MJ601 and MJ603. So third, let's check the part I mentioned before. This part I mentioned before. Third, the clamping system is fully upgraded. First, MJ601 have only one top pressing. So MJ603 have 3 top pressing device, and double side pressing device also have. So the materials are clamped tighter and more evenly. No moving, no tilting, no matter long, short, wide, or narrow pieces. Fixing is firmer, cutting is more accurate and safer. So in short, MJ603 means safer and more stable and more precise. For factories with high standard for quality and safety, the MJ603 is our best choice. Also, if you don't have that much of budget, you also can choose MJ601. The effect is the same, but I just saying the MJ603 is more safer, and MJ603 detail is more better. Okay, that's our MJ601 and MJ603. 601 and 603 is over, so we come to the MJ602. If you need to cut wider and thicker materials, choose MJ602. Before we mentioned the MJ601, can cut maximum area is 100 times 200 millimeter. MJ602 can cut maximum 550 millimeters. And the maximum thickness it can cut is 200 millimeters. So that means it can cut 200 millimeters times 200 millimeters. 601 can only cut 100 times 200. So that's the first difference. And also 602 use double rail as also like MJ603. Also, MJ602 have the same intelligent touch screen and also have automatic feeding. The spindle motor also uses 7.5 kilowatts and the speed is 1,815 RPM. But the precision with MJ602, it comes to plus or minus 1 millimeter. Perfect for thick and wider materials batch cutting. So after introduce our automatic cut-off saw, we come to the pneumatic cut-off saw. Pneumatic. These two. This economic one and this can cut a bigger one. So first come to the MJ276, the bigger one. The bigger one. Okay. So this is our pneumatic cut-off saws, non-automatic feeding models. With MJ276B and MJ276, MJ274B and MJ274 are all pneumatic one, not automatic. These four are simple and durable structure and very easy to operation. Come close to our control panel. This control panel is very simple, not like automatic serial. Automatic serial are using the PLC. So PLC means it have many parameters you need to change, but this you can only press the start or stop button. So let's continue with the MJ276. It's simple and durable structure, easy operation, suitable for small and medium factories for regular panel cutting. And with the 276, this one is 276, and also with the 276B. 276B has the strongest cutting capacity. Maximum width it can cut 700 millimeter, even bigger than the 602 model. And maximum thickness 276B can do is the 220 millimeter, also bigger than the MJ602. So if you want a very big wood to cut but not so much batch, you can choose 276B. It's economic and also it's very fit for your wood. And we also use 7.5 kilowatts motor for 276B. And for this one, 276, model. This one can cut maximum 520 times 200 millimeter. And we also use this 7.5 kilowatts for the motor, so it's very high power. So this is 276. Welcome to our live stream. Do you have any question? Before we introduce the automatic cutoff saw, and also the MJ 276 and 276B. Now we'll come to the smallest one. The smallest one means 274. Also here. So this one, 274B and 274 are economical and practical models. So the maximum cutting width is 530 millimeter. And these two models, we use 4 kilowatts to 5.5 kilowatts. That depends on your wood size. If you cut a bigger wood, we mostly use the 5.5 kilowatts. If you cut some thin wood, then we will use 4 kilowatt. With this model, we have compact structure, small space. It takes small space. As you can see, it's very small, and low failure rate, and easy maintenance, suitable for daily small batch and wide panel cutting. Our 4 series cut-off saw all have solid structure, heavy body, and stable running. So we also use brand electric parts, and it's durable and reliable. We have firm pressing for all model and complete safety covering. Even in our smallest model, we have a small cover here up upon the saw blade. It's suitable. All cut-off saw cereals are suitable for furniture factory, wood factory, and all dealers. So that's our cut-off saw series. Do you have any question about this series? Okay, welcome to our live stream. Now we are introduce you the woodworking machine. We have all woodworking machine for panel wood and solid wood. If you have any question about woodworking machine, welcome to leave a message on our live stream. We will answer your question, or maybe our seller can answer all of your questions. So next, we come to the round bar machine, okay? this is our round bar series. So I just gave you a brief overview of our cut-off saw. Now let's focus on the round bar machine series. So let's focus on the round bar machine series. And specifically we picked three core models. MJ901, and this one is high efficiency round bar machine, and behind him is a regular round bar machine, and the final one is round bar sanding machine. Okay. So with these three machines, I will explain in detail for you. Whether you are processing broom handles, mop handles, or other round bar wood products, whether it is mass production or small batch processing, one of these three models will suit you. We will talk about real machine and report hard parameters throughout. No empty words. After watching, you'll know which one is most suitable for your factory. And dealers can also clearly know the core selling points for each model to facilitate stock preparation. First of all, the first model is MJ901, which is our main high-efficiency mass production model. It is specially designed for large batch round bar processing. It can easily handle both hardwood and softwood, especially suitable for factories making broom handles and mop handles, which can directly maximize the efficiency of mass production. Now first, let's report the core parameters, which are all practical information. You can take notes. First, working width is 100 millimeter, and this one is smaller one. We also have two bigger high efficient round bar machine, like this one is N901. We also have 902 and 905. 902 can maximum process 120 millimeter, and 905 it can maximum process 150 millimeters. So 901 can process 100 millimeters for width maximum. So processing diameter is 12 to 15 millimeter, which can fully meet the processing needs of most round bars on the market. Feeding speed is 6 to 20 millimeter 6 to 20 meters per minute. Spindle speed up to 8,500 RPM. Fast processing speed and guaranteed precision. In terms of power, it is even more powerful. The upper and lower spindle power are it's optional. Whether it is 5.5 or 7.5, it's optional. That depends on your wood size. And the feeding motor is 1.5 kilowatts. So the total power is 11 plus 1.5, that means 12.5 kilowatts total power. It has sufficient power and can run stably at high intensity for a long time without frequency shutdowns for rest. The core advantage of this model is the 2 screw. Now we use 5 groups for feeding wheels. 5 groups of feeding wheels design. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 groups of feeding wheels design, which makes feeding more stable and uniform. Without jumping or deviation, the processed round bars have a smooth surface and no burrs, which can directly enter the next process without secondary grinding, saving labor and time. Moreover, its standard voltage is 380 volts and 50 hertz and 3 phases. If you're using different voltage, we can also change the voltage for you. Our standard voltage, which is suitable for the voltage of most of our factories, it can be installed and used immediately after getting it without additional modification. In addition, we also have an exclusive YouTube video link. If you want to watch the optional operation demonstration, you can send us a private message later to get it and directly see its processing effect, or you can click our what can you say? Our YouTube. Click our YouTube ID. Click our YouTube ID so that you can into our face. How to say? Main page. You can see in our main page, we have all the video there. Okay, after talking about the high efficiency mass production model, let's bring you a economical and practical MC 9050B. 9050B. This model focuses on high cost performance suitable for small and medium-sized factories, small batch processing, or bosses who have just started round bar processing. It is affordable, stable, and reliable, and you can buy useful equipment without spending a lot of money. Let's first look at the parameters. Although this is an economical model, its performance is not ambiguous at all. Main motor is 3 kilowatts. Feeding motor is 0.75 kilowatts. Spindle speed is 4,000 RPM. Feeding speed has 2 gears. Here, 2 gears. 2 group of gears, 3 meters per minute and 5 meters per minute, suitable for different processing need. Processing diameter is 15 to 50 millimeter. Minimum processing length is 500 millimeter, which can process both conventional round bars and slightly longer round bars. Moreover, its maximum cutting amount is 2 millimeter per semi-diameter, and the processing precision is sufficient to fully meet daily production needs. And the standard voltage is also 380 volts, 50 hertz and 3 phases with strong adaptability. The most worry-free part of this model is that you only need to replace the positioning sleeves to process round bars of different size. The replacement is simple and low cost. No need to equip additional set of equipment. And one machine can meet the needs of multiple sizes, especially suitable for small batch and multi-specification processing scenarios. Moreover, it has a small, simple structure. It is easy to operate. Even a non-vice can get started after a little teaching. And we also provide our optional manual so you can start easily. And it is also simple to maintain with low failure rate. So you don't need to frequently find a master for maintenance, saving maintenance cost. Whether for personal use or dealer stock preparation, this model has high cost, performance, and a wide audience. So you don't have to worry about sales. After introduce the round bar making machine, we come to the sanding machine. Oh, it's hard to see. Okay, here, come close to see. The last model is our special precision grinding model, MM2012A double belt sanding round bar machine. This model is not responsible for round bar forming, but especially for sanding and polishing round bars. It focuses on fine grinding and good effect, suitable for factories with high requirements on the smoothness of round bar surface, such as families making high-grade broom handles and decorative round bars. You must not miss this one. First, look at the core part. parameter. The motor polishes a single round bar at a time. Although it can only polish once at a time, the polishing effect is absolutely in place. Driving wheel speed is 1,420 RPM. Abrasive belt linear speed is 890 mm per minute. Feeding speed is 70 RPM. Uniform and fine polishing, which can effectively remove burrs and scratches on the surface of the round bar, making the surface of the round bar smooth and flat with a delicate feel. No more manual polishing is needed, which greatly improves the product's texture and grade. Its processing diameter is 10 to 60 mm, which can adapt to most specifications of round bars. The motor power is 3 kilowatts with sufficient power and high polishing efficiency. The standard voltage is also 380 volts, 50 Hz, and 3 phases. It's suitable for daily use in factory. If you want to change the voltage, we can also change. It all can customize. So the core advantage of this model is the double abrasive belt structure, which has better and more uniform polishing effect than ordinary single abrasive belt sanding machine. Moreover, it runs stably and reliably. During the polishing process, there will be no deviation of the round bar or uneven polishing, which can ensure that the polishing effect of each round bar is consistent and improve the product qualification rate. Whether it is used with the previous 2 round bar machines and separately for precision grinding of round bars, it is very suitable. It can help you save the trouble of manual polishing, improve production efficiency and product quality, and make your round bar products more competitive. Similarly, this model also has a YouTube operational video. For those who want to see the polishing effect, you can get a link by sending us a private message or click the YouTube ID upon. Then you can see our video. So finally, let's summarize for you. The 3 machines each have their own focus. You can choose according to your own needs. If you want large batch and high efficiency processing, especially hard wood processing, choose MB901, which has sufficient power, fast speed, and high output. If you want high cost performance, small batch, and multi-specification processing, choose MC9050B, which is economical, practical, and simple to maintain. If you want to precision grinding of round bars to improve product texture, choose MM2012A, which uses double abrasive belt polishing, smooth and delicate. All 3 are with solid materials and stable operation. Whether for factory use or dealer stock, preparation, they are reliable choices. If you have any question, just type them in the comments area and I will answer them one by one for you. And you want to see the operation video, you can click our YouTube ID upon here or here, I don't know where it is. Then you can see our YouTube video. So this is Rumba series introduction. Okay, today we introduced the Rumba series and cutoff saw series. If you want to see more of solid wood working machine or panel woodworking machine, you can type your question in the comment and I will answer you. Maybe you can just send a private message to me and our seller will answer you also. And also you can, if you want to see the video, operational video of all our machine, you can click our YouTube ID upon the live stream. Then you can see our YouTube. So let's back to our live stream. So, everyone, today's live stream is coming to an end soon. Thank you very much for your stay. Maybe first, we not end today's live stream. First, I can tell you about our after-sales support and call to action. Many people from foreigner, from China. I know everyone worries about one thing when buying equipment. What if something goes wrong? Production delays can be costly. Now, let me put your mind at ease. Regarding the core power of all our machine, the motor, we offer a direct 6 months warranty for any non-artificial damage. We've got you covered. The more important is we provide 24 hours online service. No matter which country you are in, if you encounter problems during your day or if it is night where you are, but daytime here, just reach out to us via our group or back end. And our engineers will provide remote assistance in 12 hours. So you're not just buying a machine, you are buying a technical team ready to solve problem anytime. Since we showcase different machines in each live stream, I can't give a fixed FOB price or configuration list right here. If you are interested in the cut-off saw and the Rumba making machine and want a specific quote, or if you would like to see how it processes the actual panels or the solid wood you are working with, please give a private message to me directly or click the icon upon or below to contact us. Send us your requirements, like the panel type, like the processing dimensions, and our seller will provide you with a tolerate solution. Okay, now it's about the end of our live stream. Now, our today's live stream is coming to an end. Thank you very much for your stay and support. The full range of woodworking machine we introduced today covers both solid wood, all about the solid wood. Okay, if you're interested in the panel processing series, you can leave a message to me. Then maybe next live stream, I will introduce for you. So, whether it is cut-off saw, standing machine, cutting machine needed for solid wood processing, or edge banding machine, roll drilling, engraving machine using in panel production, we have complete models, reliable quality, and guaranteed after-sales service. If you want to know the quotation and detailed parameters of specific models, or want to make an appointment for a real machine test, whether it is solid wood equipment or panel equipment, please send us a private message directly or click the link below. Professional staff will connect with you one-on-one and recommend the most suitable equipment according to your production needs. See you in our next live stream. Bye bye.